So, as you know, the New York State Surrogacy Law did not pass, but it's brought up again in 2020. Will it pass this year? I'll let you know my thoughts. Hey, Kathy Benardo here from the Northeast Assisted Fertility Group. You know, the New York State Surrogacy Law did not pass last year, and this is why. It's a couple things going on. What killed it was the feminists, really. So there are two camps of feminist thinking towards surrogacy, and I talked about this in an earlier video. There's the old school, traditional, more kind of puritanical Gloria Steinem faction, and Gloria Steinem was against this law, that said that surrogacy, the attitude of surrogacy, just exploits poor women, treats women like animals, and commodifies their bodies. That's one. And then there's the more kind of libertarian, we need to be free of paternalistic laws on our bodies, and we're free to take risks and free to get in trouble with, get hurt with that freedom. The more libertarian side, more like the Camille Paglia type of feminist. So the Gloria Steinem camp prevailed there. So that's one. That's one reason. The other reason, in my view, is kind of the downstate, upstate kind of conflict. A lot of the pro-surrogacy advocates were more urban, they were more gay, and they couched this as really more of like a gay right kind of thing. But the upstaters were more conservative, and that didn't resonate with them. So none of these really hit the mark. We know, as people who do surrogacy every day, that surrogacy does not exploit women. Those who think of it only in theoretical terms, yes, theoretically it can be exploitive, but almost anything can be theoretically. In practice, it's not exploitive at all. So for those who really know how surrogacy works, it's not exploitive. And it's really, even though Cuomo again is bringing up it's a gay rights issue, I don't think that's the greatest way to put it, to convince people. Because yes, lots of gay men take advantage of this, but the majority of people who do this are just heterosexual couples who aren't infertile. So this is a way of actually promoting the traditional family through third party. And it's a non-exploitive thing, and it helps all kinds of families. So Cuomo said, oh yes, it was brought down from fear rather than love, and that's all true. But I hope that in advocating for the surrogacy law, that they also emphasize how it helps us everyday people, and it can help a lot of people upstate as well, because it does help grow traditional families as well as non-traditional families. And there's, in this bill, is a surrogate's bill of rights that is to ease the uneasiness or the fears that people have that surrogates and women can be taken advantage of as surrogates, and they absolutely are not. There's tons of protections in place. There's clinics and agencies, extremely ethical, and it's not exploitive at all. So let's just hope with more education and more understanding, surrogacy can become legal this year, 2020. Well, I hope that was helpful. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and go to assistedfertility.com for more information on third-party reproduction. Thanks so much for watching.